Why are some birds nocturnal? Only about 5% of our local Southern African birds are totally nocturnal. The ones most people know about are the owls, the thick-knees, and the nightjars. But there are some other nocturnal birds too, like the night herons. Some of the coursers and the African skimmers are mainly nocturnal here in Southern Africa. Let's start with the owls. They exploit the abundance of rodents, insects, and reptiles that are active at night. And the nightjars and the thick-knees feed on the abundant flying and terrestrial insects at night, things like moths. Now, most nocturnal birds have very drab plumage with cryptic coloration. Why is that? Well, they don't need bright colors because they are active at night. By standing behind the dry plants, they tend to blend in, and they are difficult to see from a distance unless they move. And this very drab-looking water thick-knee is blending in perfectly with the grey rocks behind it. And the spotted eagle owl with all its spots, which look like lichen, makes it just blend in with the tree behind it. And a closer look at it. And look how very well camouflaged this Cape eagle owl is in the dapple shade of a tree it is roosting under on a cliff. Nightjars are masters of camouflage. This one was sitting under a bush and roosting in the daytime. From a distance, this nightjar would not be visible. It blends in with the background under this bush. But if you look more closely at nocturnal birds, they have very large eyes with extra big pupils. Owls' eyesight and hearing are both excellent, and they are the main senses used in the detection of food and danger. And look how big this white-backed night heron's eye is. Black-crowned night herons are nocturnal hunters, but they will also hunt at twilight too, and this is called crepuscular foraging or hunting. And these tiny little nightjars have much bigger eyes than diurnal birds. These bronze-winged coursers really have massive eyes for the tiny size, and this makes for very good nocturnal vision. And this spotted thick-knee also has big eyes for its head size. And because most birds are diurnal, which means they are active in daytime, the whole night world was left to be exploited, and these nocturnal birds have adapted to forage at night and to roost undetected in the daytime due to their drab plumage.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and post any comments you have down below.